What if I told you these are not edited with Photoshop? If you are a professional photographer or retoucher, this video is for you. Introducing you Avoto, a next-generation AI photo editor. It releases you from tedious work, sets you up to get thousands of photos processed with 10x speed and remarkable quality, and helps you make your imagination real. Let me show you how. Skin defects removal. I have this image. Go to Skin Defects Removal. You can remove pimples, acne, blemishes, dark circle, mole, and wrinkles in few slides. Look at the result before and after. Skin retouching. So I have this image. Go to Skin Retouching and play with slides. Amazing result. This is what AI can do. Face reshaping. I have this image. Go to Face Reshaping. You can easily reshape your face, eyebrows, eyes, nose, and mouth. This is magnificent. Perfect eyes and teeth. Now you can quickly whiten your yellow teeth and sharpen and brighten your eyes. Face makeup. So I have this image with no makeup. Fix eyebrows, eyeshadow, eyelashes, blush, and lipstick. You can also copy makeup using makeup presets. This is simply awesome. See before and after using makeup. Body reshaping. Go to reshaping. Play with slides as you're liking. You can also enlarge breasts and hips and make your waist slim using this feature. My favorite sky replacement. Go to Background Adjustments. Select any sky you like. Adjust the slides to your liking. Wow, this is breathtaking. This is the best sky replacement AI technology I have ever seen. Change background. Go to Headshot Background Changer. You can change your background with just one click. Fast exporting. You can export your edited pictures faster with remarkable quality. Isn't this amazing?
Go to www.evoto.ai.
Download the software. No more switching between software. Complete your photo editing workflow in one place. No more repetitive work. With Avoto, you can streamline your work with simple clicks. Never thought that quality software like this would be so cheap at price. It's affordable. Giveaway alert. You can get 30 free credits if you sign up to Avoto from the exclusive link given in the YouTube description of this video. Hurry up! Thanks for watching.